Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a right click on your trackpad or touchpad if you haven't a mouse. It's very simple. We need to press two fingers on our trackpad and it will be as a right click or secondary click. Or if you haven't this click, then go to the settings, Apple icon, then system settings, and here let's find trackpad menu. In trackpad menu we have a secondary click option. You need to set it click with two fingers if it is enabled, or if you think that it's not convenient click with two fingers, you may set click in bottom right corner. Let's try. We haven't right click when we press two fingers, and we have right click when we press in bottom right corner. But I recommend you to set the default settings. Click with two fingers. It's very convenient. You will understand it later. Thanks for the watching. Subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.